found this lovely little stream just in front of the hills. Back on Coniston in the Lake District. It's beautiful. There's a little fish in there. You probably won't be able to see them because I haven't got a polarizer lens on. Just look at that for a view. Stunning. Anyway, I've had this muck off bag, this ride pack, now for a few weeks, and I've gotten the essentials kit to go with it, which was sold out when I bought the actual bag itself. So I just thought I'd give a review. Seems I've had it a while. That's the essentials pack. Obviously it's up to yourself what you put in it. I've got tyre levers, CO2 canister to blow my tyres up, your normal multi-tool spare canister, one of those kits to plug any holes in your tyre, just a bit of like an emergency kit for us. I mean, you can put anything you want in there, your mobile phone, whatever you want. And that just clips onto the rear. Just clips onto the back, these molly grips at the back of the bag. And I've sent some plastic clips. Not that it would fall off anyway, but that is so substantial it just won't fall off. The bag itself, there's a little pocket here at the side, just to put loose change. Anything really. Then at the side here you have a fleece lined pocket with an attachment for your key if you arrived in your car, and you can put sunglasses in there because it's not going to scratch them. The larger zip at the side allows you to put the back protector in. I didn't purchase that, but what I have done is I've added my own water bladder. There's two holders there, and that just feeds around and comes out the strap there, nice and easy. So that's that side. On the other side you have another little pocket here, you can put some change in, see if you haven't opened the bag, and again another fur-lined, fleece-lined pocket. It's great. There's lots of little places to put things in the back, as well as a bungee if you haven't got the essentials pack on. It's a roll top bag. has 20 litres of storage in. I've only got my jacket and gloves in at the minute. There's absolutely tons of storage in there, 20 litres. And inside there there's a zip pocket in there, which again allows you to keep things separate to the main compartment. Slip that back inside. Get it rolled up. Dead easy to fasten. Just roll it and click it. Lovely, nice and tidy. There's a pouch here for putting things in. I've got like a spare GoPro battery, some jelly babies. Quite a decent sized pocket. And underneath, these are all weatherproof zips, by the way. But underneath you have a rain cover to go over the top of the bag should it start chucking it down. But yeah, the back has this foam, really soft back piece on with breathable sort of holes in. Allows your back to breathe, and it's really comfortable to wear. And being the largest person myself, I'm just under 6 foot. I'm 100 kilograms. Sometimes I get bags that'll fasten at the top, but they won't fasten around my waist. This fastens easily. There's loads more room. It's like one that I've never really found a bag that fits me. So it's perfect. Drinking tube. It's just a all round great bag, and I really like the knockoff gear, as you can probably tell. But it's like the customer service, they're always helpful. Any problems, they'll get straight back to you. They'll even provide you with replacement equipment should there be a fault. And that's the bag on myself. So it's a thumbs up for me. Happy days, ride safe.